Hello and welcome to Sounds English with me, Betty. I'm a writer and a vocal coach from England, and here I will explain common words and phrases used in everyday English, what they mean in context, pronunciation, and how to use them. Join me every day and build your English one word or phrase at a time. No grammar lessons, just learn English like the English, by listening. The word or phrase of today is the gloves are off. The gloves are off. Right, the gloves are off. This means war. This expression describes a situation where you have run out of negotiations. You have tried everything you can to resolve an issue or a conflict, but the other person who you are in slight conflict with has behaved in a way where there's nothing left to talk about. It's war. Now the gloves are off. They've gone too far. The gloves are off now. This is an expression to describe a situation where you have come to the end of your patience. Someone has behaved in a way that makes you very frustrated, and they have pushed you to the absolute end. So now their final action, the last thing they did, means that it's war. The gloves are off. So even though it has a slight element of threat, it's a very light-hearted threat. So you can use it in a situation where perhaps a child has been misbehaving constantly, and the last thing they did, which was really quite naughty, the parent can say, right, the gloves are off. Get to your room. We're going to talk about this later. And the expression itself means that it's a light-hearted joke about starting a battle or a fight. So if you say the gloves are off, it means that you're going to fight with someone because they've annoyed you. But it's sort of slightly like a play fight, but not entirely. Right, the gloves are off. This means war. Usage, for example. They are always eating my food from the fridge, and I was saving a last piece of cake that I was really looking forward to, and I told everyone, don't eat that cake. That's mine. I'm saving it. And guess who went and ate it? Right, the gloves are off. This means war. They are going to regret it. That is it. The gloves are off. No more cake for them ever again. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for another exciting English word or phrase. Bye bye.